caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ज्ञान की गुल्लक से आपका भाई बोल रहा हूँ. गाइज, टुडे आई विल गिव यू द टॉप 10 टिप्स फॉर एवरी यंगस्टर. आई थिंक एवरीवन शुड एक्वायर दीज स्किल्स इन देयर लाइफ बिफोर देयर 20. आई होप यू विल enjoy them because these comes only with experience. So the first tip is stop trying to be best friends with everyone. Sure, be nice, but you will wear yourself out with 50 best friends. Let's go with 5 to 10 close friends. Your future roommates and the guys in your Bible study will do nicely. I know it's exciting to feel popular, have tons of friends, and be well liked. I promise though, in the long run, having a small group of pupils who knows all about you will serve you well. So let's just focus on a few, okay? So the second most important tip is be present. The most important person in the world is the one you are talking to. Don't check your phone, keep thinking of a response, or look away. This will do wonders for you. Just chill out and listen. The feeling is wonderful. And the 13 pieces tip is it's not about you. A relationship is not about money, cars, trips, study aids, sports, or anything that benefits you. Instead, focus on how you can be blessing to others and do so whether they are your best friends or not. One of the most important things you can do in life is to cultivate a heart for others. Number 4 tip is you can't please everyone. I have struggled with this. It's nice you're friendly and social and people invite you to do things, but you end up getting stretched really thin, sacrificing those who matter most to you, including valuable time to yourself. The tip that comes on number 5 is never say never. I used to talk about things I had never enjoyed, like running, eating brinjal, and going outside. Now I run cross country. Water comes every time in my mouth while I eat brinjal, and enjoy every time when I go outside. Crazy? You never know where life will take you and shake you up for a while. Just be open to the process and what life has to offer. Your time on earth is too short to go around dismissing things and people. The sixth tip is prioritize what is most important. Oh man, this is tough. As you grow older, the world is going to speed up and there will be more distraction than ever. Facebook, Twitter, and the rest of social media are simply tools, but can be an enormous time drain. They are not bad things, but they are not the most important things. You need to decide what is most important to you and make it a priority. For me, my short list of priorities is faith, family, writing, health, and man's work. Everything else is a threat and should be considered very carefully. People may get upset, but eventually the ones who care about you will understand and respect your choices. Number 7 tip is risk big. This may be the scariest item on the list. Risking big starts with risking small in hundreds of different ways throughout your life. Taking those risks does not always mean you are going to jump out of a plane, change jobs, or move to a new city. It can introducing yourself to a person, trying new foods, or learning to dance. Each opportunity to put yourself in a situation where you are not fully in control and are vulnerable is a risk. The cool part is some of most fulfilling and rewarding experiences arise from taking a risk, whether physical, emotional, or spiritual. Plus, you will see many of these tips have an element of risk to them. Don't be afraid of taking one. The eighth tip is be on your own. Go away. Seriously, when you head to college, move out and get an apartment, have some roommates and pay your bills, buy your groceries, fill up your car with gas, and manage what little money you have. If you choose to work immediately after high school, same rules apply. You are just a youngster. There is a healthy part of you which screams out to be free. The problem we have encountered is we want our parents and elders to finance our freedom. We want cars, cell phones, and memory foam beds, but no curfew. There is a simple way to have this freedom, and it's simply to walk out the door and take it. Your parents love you and want the best for you, and whether they know it or not, taking leave from them is the way to learn what's best. Ask your parents when they learned the most in life, and usually they will say it's during the hard times. And the number 9 is life is not about you. The world does not revolve around you, and all the inhabitants are not placed here to make sure you have an easy ride. We get caught up when life is not fair, we don't get the job, the relationship, or things just don't work out. This is life, and it does not revolve around your happiness. This is why we must seek our fulfillment from the inside and then turn the energy outside of us. Cultivating your life for others. The good news is you are about life, the relationships, sunrises, laughter, adventures. You can give yourself fully to them because you have been filled from inside. And the last most important tip is you are enough. This is perhaps the hardest lesson I have learned. I hope you can realize the truth long before I have. Sadly, many people go through their entire lives without realizing it. The simple truth is you are enough. People try to fill their lives with possessions, titles, money, status symbols, other people, and more. You think that without a new car, people will look down on you? A voice of doubt says, if you don't have a profiling job, something is wrong. We can even use other people in this way. How often have you thought, I'm nothing without this person, they are everything to me? Before you love others, you need to be able to love yourself. If you believe you are nothing before she comes along, you will never be enough with her. You need to be able to stand before the world simply as yourself and say with conviction, I am enough. I hope a part of this video help you in some way. Even if you are not a youngster, many of these lessons I need to remind myself every day. So guys, these are all the most important top 10 tips. I hope you would love it and like to hear more these kind of unheard tips on many subjects. So this is all for this video. I will come again soon. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye. And बिल्कुल ना भूलें सब्सक्राइब करना ज्ञान की गुल्लक.